In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Machoke here in Pokopia real quick. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions though, ask them down in the comment section below. But first things first, make your way over to the Pokemon Center and then from here go to the direction of these sandbags specifically. Now, once you are in the area with these sandbags, essentially what you need to do is grab 2 of these and then make some leaves, just pull them up. That's really all you got to do using leafage. But essentially go ahead and place those 2 sandbags down next to each other, add the leaves right next to it, and then from here, water the setup. It'll create the habitat and you are good to go. Just look out for a sandbag habitat and you are set. If you guys did have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.